Hello friends, how are you? Hope we are doing well. Today's dish is very easy. It's tasty as well as aromatic too. Do you wanna know its name? It's black pepper chicken or kalimirch murg. Here we neither use dry red chili or red chili powder, nor green chili or green chili paste. The entire dish we will prepare by black pepper or kalimirch. Along with it, we will add another aromatic spice. Which is that? You will get to know. Stay tuned.
You must try this recipe at your home as it is super tasty, smells nice and looks yummy. Impress your family by cooking good dishes. I am preparing it in moderately spicy so that anyone can enjoy this awesome chicken dish anytime. For this finger-licking good recipe, I have taken 6 chicken leg pieces, black pepper or kali mirch total 3 spoons, curry leaves 16 to 20 pieces, nutmeg powder half teaspoon, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon, 1 onion minced, ginger, 4 garlic cloves, homemade curd or sour curd 7 spoons, mustard oil 3 spoons, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, cumin seed half teaspoon. Let's begin with beating the curd so that there are no lumps remaining. Marinate the chicken with curd, 1½ teaspoon black pepper, 6 curry leaves and mustard oil. That aromatic spice which I was mentioning about my video is curry leaves. Adding some pepper here. Put in the curry leaves into the gashes of chicken so that chicken can absorb properly. We need to keep this chicken marinated for minimum 2 hours to enhance the taste and flavor. After 2 hours, heat the pan and mustard oil. Fry nutmeg powder, cardamom, cinnamon and cumin seeds. In a minute, add minced onion. Stir properly. Add minced garlic and ginger. You can use ginger garlic paste too. Fry in low to medium flame. Put some salt here. After frying, add marinated chicken and the remaining marination. I will fry the chicken for 20 to 25 minutes to get better taste in low to medium flame. You need to fry chicken properly. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And please press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Share my videos to others. I will wait for your like and comment. In 15 minutes, add salt to taste and stir properly. In next 3 minutes, add cumin powder. It's been 25 minutes. Frying is done. I am adding required amount of water to boil the chicken. When the chicken becomes tender, add 1½ spoons black pepper. You can adjust amount of pepper and curry leaves according to your taste. Add rest of the remaining curry leaves. Put out the flame. Keep the pot covered for 2 hours before serving. Serve and enjoy this delicious dish. Surely try this recipe at your home. Take care. Bye-bye.